In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store's search functionality with the Shopify Search and Discovery app. This process is straightforward and will greatly enhance how your customers interact with your store, making their experience smoother and more satisfying. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to Shopify by typing Shopify into your search bar. Shopify is a robust platform that powers millions of businesses worldwide, offering a way to easily set up and customize your online store. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, log into your account if you haven't already. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the Shopify App Store. To do this, you can simply type Shopify App Store into the search bar of Google, and it should be the first link that pops up. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to find Shopify Search and Discovery. This app is an excellent tool designed to help enhance the search functionality on your online store. When customers visit your site, they can filter their searches more effectively and quickly find the products they're interested in exploring. After searching for the app, you'll find the Shopify Search and Discovery app in the results. Click on the app and be sure to read through its description, checking out the features and any additional information provided. This app is particularly effective as it streamlines the process for customers, vastly improving their ability to locate specific products, which, as you can imagine, can help increase overall sales. Reviewing these details can give you a better understanding of how powerful this addition to your store can be. Once you're familiar with the app's benefits, go ahead and install it. The installation is usually quick and simple. Click on the installation button and follow any on-screen instructions. The great thing about Shopify apps is that they are designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing setup, meaning you won't have to worry about complicated configurations. Now that you've successfully installed the app, you're all done. With the Shopify Search and Discovery app ready to go, your store is now better optimized to meet your customers' needs. Remember, making the shopping experience as user-friendly and efficient as possible is key to retaining customers and encouraging repeat business. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Adding the Shopify Search and Discovery app is a small investment of time that can pay off significantly by enhancing your store's functionality. We hope you found this guide helpful and look forward to sharing more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Shopify store. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.